Oh, this is good TRC. They pulled the plug.
Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for western Marion County until 1:30 p.m. At 12:56 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Kenton, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: law informant confirmed tornado near
Law
Kenton.
informant?
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Larue around 1:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Green Camp and New Bloomington. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Holy crap.
The official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. West of today,
I was not expecting that.